Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Hisense model, and that firmware is updated. This ensures voice features exist and work. Once done, connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi and enable microphone access in settings so voice data can be captured. Next, sign into the Hisense account or TV OS profile. This links preferences and permissions. You'll now locate the remote's voice button. Press and hold it to begin the first voice prompt sequence and follow on-screen pairing instructions. Now you pair the remote to the TV by following the precise on-screen prompts. Hold the voice button and wait for confirmation tone. After pairing, choose the built-in assistant or an external voice service if offered, because selection affects available commands and integrations. Make sure to allow necessary permissions, microphone, location, and language, so recognition and localized responses work correctly. Once permissions are granted, speak a test command like Open YouTube to verify intent recognition and adjust voice language or sensitivity settings if required. To finish, perform a final test by issuing a sequence of commands, power, volume, app launch, so you confirm reliability. If responses are weak, make sure the room is quiet and then adjust voice sensitivity or language settings in the accessibility or voice menu. If the assistant still fails, restart the TV and repair the remote. This resolves most connectivity glitches. As a last resort, factory reset the TV, but be aware it erases settings. Try reboot and permission checks before that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.